Come on then, doofus. Let's go. See what we can catch. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. There we go. There's one. It's just a little guy. But it's a start. Hey, Roloff. There you go. It's a start. You gonna go get it? Go get it. Oh, that felt like a better tug. Oh, he got off. That was a better bite. But he got off Roloff. Yeah, should we set up the slip bobber, have a go? Okay. Looks like that slip bobber worked right away, Rolly, because it's going for a little swim, look. It's lying flat on its side, which sometimes means there's a fish, and look. Can you see it, pup? Look. Look at it go. He's got it, he's swimming with it. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one, Roloff. Whoa. I don't know what this is. Is this a pike or a... Is this a great big pike? Oh yeah, it's a great big pike, Rolly. It's a great big pike. Oh, whoa! Awesome. Can you see it, pup? You better watch out. Look at this guy. Ugh. Watch out, Roloff. Roloff, out of there. Come here. Whoa. Roloff, come here. Roloff, come here. Good boy. Roloff, come out. Roloff, move. He's gonna jump, Roloff. He's gonna jump. Oh, whoa! Holy chunky monkeys. Hey, Roloff. Let's get this hook out and give it a measure, eh? Let's get this one back in, eh, Pop? Okay. There she goes. Whoa, she's gone. Say bye. You're such a doofus. I love you, Pop. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Because that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Go on. Got another bite, Rolly. There we go. Still little guys. Hey, Pup. Still little guys. That's another fishy. Yeah, that's another fishy, Pup. Look. See? There we go. Another one. Roll. Ready, Pup? Go get it, man. There's one, Roloff. They're getting a little bit bigger, hey, Bob? A little bit bigger. Hey, we'll see if we can get a really big one tonight, hey? Like we did the other night. You're so wicked, dog. Look at that, Roloff. Hey? That's not very big, is it, Poppy? nice bend in the medium fast action rod. And again, little guys, but fun. Hey, Roloff? Good fun, hey? Either on the bobber or on the jig. I think we're going to stick with the jig for a bit now. Eee, there you go. Another one. Another one, puppy. Another one. This one feels a little bit better than the other ones. Feels a little bit better. He's certainly scrappy. Oh, he's a nice one. Look at this one, pup. He's a nice one, hey? There's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice chunk. Look at that, that's a nice chunk, hey puppy? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. That, don't bite. No biting. Good job, let's get another minnow one.